tribute to our great Indian soldiers who are always a blessing to our life. Today, July 26, as we know that this day we are celebrating Kargil Vijay Divas, commemorating the dedicated sacrifice of our great Indian soldiers who laid down their lives in Kargil 1999 to protect our Bharat Mata from the cruel hands of Pakistan. With great pleasure and honor, we, Sri Rameshwar family, wholeheartedly welcome Honorable Subedar Sri Nandakumar CV from Indian Army, Jammu and Kashmir to address the gathering. Let us listen the valuable words from Sri Nandakumar sir.
Hi dear all young friends of Sri Ramakrishna Vidyaniketan Nandigara, Jai Hind. I am Subedar Nandakumar, Psychological Counselor, Department of Psychiatry from Command Hospital, Udhampur. I am very happy to address you all today. As you all know, 26th July is celebrated as Vijay Divas, the remembrance of the sacrifice of our brave soldiers who laid down their lives in Kargil Heights in 1999. As you all know, India has fought many wars against Pakistan since independence, and every time Pakistan has to face the defeat. Still, they are always keeping a coveted eye on our motherland. But our soldiers, our brave soldiers, are always giving a fitting reply to them. As you all know, the recent developments in Chinese border also. China repeated their cheating act, which they have made in 1962 in this year also. And our soldiers' exemplary and courageous and rock-hard reaction has been applauded by international community. So the determination, dedication, and the power of mind and professionalism is always been there in soldiers. And as students, you are the future of this nation, and you have to adopt something from them. That is what I want to say today. Life is not a cakewalk. There will be failures, difficulties, and success also. You have to take everything in one straight. Failures are not the end of life. That's not the end of world. You have to make failures as your stepping stone to success. 3 D's are very important in life: determination, dedication, and direction. You have to be very determined to work hard, achieve your goals. Dedication, you have to dedicate it in your act. And you have the direction. You should have the direction where I have to go. What is my point of life? What is my goal of life? These all things should be specific, and you have to work hard to achieve that thing. You may have some excuses. I don't have that. I don't have this thing. I don't have that thing. These all are just excuses. If you have 2 legs, if you have 2 hands, 2 eyes to see, 2 ears to hear, 1 mouth to eat, and a roof to sleep, you are the most blessed one in this world. You are not supposed to see what you don't have, but you have to count your blessings, and you have to work hard. And success will be yours. You have to become a good military officer. You have to become a good police officer. You have to become a good doctor. You have to become a good engineer. You have to become a good scientist. And ultimately, you have to become a good human being. That is what most important. So, for that purpose, you have to cultivate. You have to create a good positive frame of mind from your home, from your self-acts, from your learnings, and from your experiences. Never go for shortcuts. Shortcuts are always dangerous. You should have the courage to say that if you have made a mistake, admit it. Yes, I made a mistake. I have failed in this, and I will show you that I can be successful. Rectify your mistakes, go for the correct way, and learn from that, and you will definitely get success. and I'm very sure that you all are good students and you will become successful in life and become very good citizen for this country, and you will be very good sons and good human beings. So that's all from me today. Wish you all very good successful life, enjoyable life. Enjoy everything. Enjoy success. Enjoy the moments, every moments in life, but in a positive way. So thank you all for giving me a chance to talk to you all, and wish you all best things, very best things in life. Thank you. Jai Hind.